Hey everyone, and welcome to another installment of Fat Guy Tries. I'm the Fat Guy, and we are officially in the month of June, which means we are starting to reach that summer time of the year. And when it's a nice summer day like this, there's very few things I like more than a good ice cream cone. One of my personal favorite ice cream cones is, of course, the Drumstick cone. Who doesn't love a good drumstick? You got chocolate, peanuts, ice cream, and all in a wonderful waffle cone. It's great. It's great. I mean, there's really not a lot to say about the drumstick that hasn't been said before, but what if I told you they made a blizzard of that? Now, this is nothing new per se, but it is a part of Dairy Queen's All-Star menu for the summer of 2022, which we have been going through. I'd like to present to you the second to last blizzard on our agenda. Oh, it's already melting a little in my cup holder. This is the Drumstick Blizzard with peanuts. Now let's take a quick look. You can see some peanuts. You can see some chocolate pieces there. I'm really excited to dig into this thing. I think I've had this before, but it's been quite a while, so let's just get our first spoonful here. Let's see if we can get all the key ingredients in one bite. Ooh. Ooh. Well, that salty crunch means can only mean one thing. It means we just got ourselves a spoonful of peanut. I'm tasting the waffle cone too. I believe there's little waffle cone pieces dipped in chocolate. I think that's how they faithfully recreate. There's little pieces of chocolate in here too, so they kind of got it down, the whole drumstick flavor. Let's take another bite, see if we can extrapolate more from that. Well, yeah, I mean, I'm sorry, I'm pretty much just eating it at this point, but just shot a big cone piece there, I think. Yeah. So, it's everything to love about a drumstick. Obviously, you got the vanilla ice cream. You've got the chocolate. You've got the peanuts, and the peanuts provide a nice contrast to the ice cream, as peanuts tend to do. It's kind of rare to see it in a blizzard, though, you know, at least this profoundly, I should say, because it really is like, it really just adds that contrast to the ice cream. You get that sweet, you know, rich ice cream contrasting with the salt, crunchy peanuts, and it works, and it works very well, and it's a time-tested combination, but it bears repeating for this blizzard. You got the chocolate pieces, you got the waffle cone pieces, obviously. It all comes together. I mean, honestly, it's kind of just like having a drumstick cone in a bowl. That's probably or a cup, I should say. That's the best way I can describe it. Which is not a bad thing, mind you. Not sure what else to say. I love drumsticks. I love blizzards. Any chance to put those two together is a win in my book. I gotta give this one a thumbs up. Another home run from Dairy Queen's All-Star menu. I'm a little sad that we're already going to the next one, but next time on Fat Guy Tries, we will tackle the final blizzard of the Dairy Queen All-Star menu. I'm really looking forward to it. This has been such a thrill. It's given me a great excuse to go out and get some ice cream. So here's to the All-Star menu. Here's to you, the viewer. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a great summer.